Alright, here's a second pass at MetaHuman. This shows you all the different starting points where you can pick any one of these characters as a starting point. The ones with the little markers in them indicate that those are have features in LOD 1 and 2 only for this current phase. So we'll pick this guy, Nassim, and take a look at the features available for him. So first of all, I can use Option, and I can sort of orbit around to be able to look in different directions. And so then we click Next, and we'll get to all the features for this character. So we'll start off with the blend. Again, you can blend different characters in here. So we would stop the animation and be able to grab another character and add the blend in. So let's say we're going to get this character and this one. All right. So it says add 3 different presets in here. Then we can try to blend those together. Right? So now we have points that we can try to mix those different characters together by getting the different features and grabbing these points. So I can get the foreheads of the different characters based on the blends that I picked. So each one of those allows me to sort of mix those features. Right? So chins, and let's do the eyebrows. Good. All right, so that's the blending feature. If we go to the moving feature, we can do some major moves for the character, adjusting the position of the ears, the mouth, the chin. And again, from the option view, we should be able to do a, if we do the command or control key, we can pull the nose in and out. All right. Then we can get in and do some finer details. So let's go into the sculpt mode, and here you can get to the various points on the face and be able to adjust the facial features. And again, we should be able to do command and pull the points forward and back as we need to. All right, then we can preview the face with a variety of animations. All right, let's move on. So the skin has got skin, freckles, accents, roughness, contrast, and texture. So as we drag these sliders up at the top, we can get different controls. So we can do more or less textures, more or less accents. We can increase redness in certain areas of the skin, or adjust the saturation if we need to. Adjust the lightness or the darkness. and you can pick the different areas of the skin to do that. And in the skin, you can pick the color, the texture. Let's say it says to stop the animation here for that. There we go. So if we can adjust the texture here, and this is quite interesting because the texture is quite dramatic. The variety of choices that you can make. Contrast, roughness. Okay, you can go into the do the eyes, pick different colors for the eyes. Work on the teeth. So here you can adjust, the kind of teeth that are there, the tooth length, the variation, tooth color, the plaque amount, and then you can sort of see what they look like as you're working the jaw. Makeup, likewise, you can do makeup for the hair, the head. We can pick different hairstyles. And I kind of like that one we started with there. Eyebrows, bushy, not bushy. And then you can work on the beard as well. Change the mustache style. And then work on the body type. So let's go heavy set on this one. And it looks good. So again, we can go back to preview. We'll stick with the idle, and we'll pick the face. And that's MetaHuman Creator, by going through and picking a face and altering a lot of features to make a really interesting, unique looking character.